my sled! No way! I gotta get out of here. Yes, I'm on. What the heck is happening, man? Oh my gosh, it is windy. But look at these views, guys. Oh. I'm gonna go get my feet ice pegs, my boot ice pegs that you put on the bottom, because it's so smooth and see-through and I'm gonna slip. So you don't want to be out here by yourself and slip. You're gonna have a bad day. So these are what the boot clips look like. They have studs on the bottom and they just go over the base of your foot. Now it's gripping, that's better. Oh, there's a fish. No way. Right here, look at that. A fish in a foot of water under the ice. Now I know there's fish here, so it's up to me not to be a sucky fisherman and catch some dinner. Oh. See what it looks like here. So this will automatically, if a fish comes and bites this line, it pulls down and it releases this, and this will snap my rod tip up and fight the fish until I can walk over here and bring it in myself. All right, let's leave that. Have to move it, feather it. Okay. Holy crow. Oh my gosh, it's windy. That's gonna blow that jaw jacker out of there. Is it ever windy? I'm floating. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Come back! Are you kidding me? My camera's gone. Holy crap, don't drop, don't hit something. Oh my gosh, come back! My camera! Frick! Buddy said there was, oh, fell. Please tell me it didn't break. Oh my gosh. Oh my freaking glasses. Holy junk. Look at them going. Oh my gosh, my sled. No way. I gotta get out of here. Like, look at my sled going down because of the wind. And my glasses just absolutely launched down. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. My glasses are absolutely gone. Thankful my camera here, it took off. Oh my gosh, my blooming sled is still going. It's so windy out here. Bye. funky glasses, the camera was just shot down 100 yards down the shoreline till it hit these reeds, fell over. Now my sled's all the way back. My fishing rod's up there. Oh, my glasses, I have no idea where they were. They just shot like a guy. What the heck? Holy crap. I'm literally walking down the lake to get my sled that went just way off. My tripod went off. Holy credulity. I'm blowing over. Good thing I brought these pegs, man. Oh my gosh. Okay. I've never fished in winds like this. Forget the glasses, we gotta press on. Never fished in winds like this. The audio is probably not even working. I'm back to my jaw jacker that's pressed in by my auger there. So that's good. I did have my sled feathered into the wind, so like the nose pointing upstream like this because the wind's going down like that. But man, that gale force came through. Oh, and just knocked her way down. Here's the fish, right below my feet. Look how much dirt is on the side, just coming off these trees and the roads. So most of the fish I've seen, they're actually pretty docile. They're just sitting on the bottom and not really moving a whole ton. So I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to entice a bite. And to be honest, the feeling of us maybe not having fish for dinner tonight is setting in. Because the winds weren't supposed to be like this, not until tomorrow. So I thought we were gonna get dinner for sure. Because we haven't marked anything here, well, I haven't seen anything here for 5-10 minutes, let's move. I'm gonna go over. There was somebody here earlier with tents. Sometimes people know, locals know good spots, what's hot, what's not. They were fishing over there. Either that was to get out of the wind or because they're having good luck. So I'm gonna move over there now because the fish I've seen here, the 2 or 3 of them, they're pretty docile. They're just laying there on the, like literally on the bottom. One moved when I walked by it. So let's move. I wanna find a bigger school of these fish. Maybe we'll have some better luck. Well, I'll try it here. This feels better out of the wind. We're down to like crunch time here. We got like an hour left, so I gotta get a fish. Oh, fish. Yes, I got one. Look at it, guys. We got one. I just put the bloomin' trying to set the jaw jacker. Oh, woo, we did it. I didn't get it on camera, but I got it. This little sucker came in so fast. Right on the weeds. Oh, it's tiny, very tiny, but I'm gonna kill it to eat it. Heck yeah, yeah, we got it. First brookie. See if we can get another one here. Maybe they're in the area. Oh, finally. So good. So good. Finally. The difference about this spot to where it was earlier is I'm right on top of weeds. Weeds, food. Oh, I just had one. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yes, I'm on. Yeah! Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo! Yes! Yeah, we're on them now. Another beautiful, beautiful fish. I'm only gonna keep 2. That's it. 1, 2, there's my dinner. Thank you. Ah, yes. This one's a little more chrome than the last one. Unbelievable. We did it, guys. Out of having that wind just blasting us, we came over in the corner to try to get out of it a little bit, and look what happens. I caught fish. Yes, look at that. Perfect little pan fries. Perfect. This one's a little small. Maybe we'll keep one more so I have an actual meal to eat. But we did it. There we go. Leave that, see what happens. He's got it. Yeah. Nice. There we go. I'm gonna release this guy. He's a little bit not as big. So we're just gonna pull out this hook and say, see ya, buddy. Down he goes. Okay, my GoPro died, got a new battery. As I'm getting a new battery, the jaw jacker went off. We have a fish on the line. It worked, it finally worked. Here we go. Another brookie. Woohoo! Perfect, beautiful colors on these fish. I'm gonna get you back, buddy, don't worry. Here we go. Oh, the eye's bleeding a little bit. Ah, shoot. The hook went into its eye. Oh no. All right, we're gonna eat this one too. It wouldn't survive with his eye like that. The head spinner went through his eye. So there we go. 1, 2, 3 for the pan tonight for me. Perfect. Nice and clean. Nice fillets on the fire. Cast iron pan. Sun's going down, it's getting dark. It's time to go set up camp, get some wood going. Wow. I don't think I'm gonna find those glasses. I'll take a quick look though. They would have went up against this brush if anything. Oh, I see them! No, I think that's them. I think I see my glasses, guys. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Look at that! Right on the path, back to the truck. Come on, baby! You can't be better than that. Right by the track, look at it. There they are. That is! Heck yeah, baby! Tuck them in. Gotta love it. You don't know what's gonna happen ice fishing. But we're out here. I hope I can have a fire tonight. This is windy. Oh my gosh. I legitimately would not like to die tonight to a fallen tree. Now I assume these trees around here have dealt with this wind before and they're strong and strengthened, but yeah, you see those times where trees do come down in campsites, and not ideal, not ideal. It sure does feel nice to get those fish. That was a little bit of a grind, not crazy, but it always has a little more pucker factor, if you want to call it, when dinner is on the line. And for a while there, I was thinking we were only gonna have veggies tonight, but we got some fish. Gonna cook up brook trout, which I've never tried before. Super excited to try, right out of a mountainous lake. Oh, there, the trees look a little less bouncy in here from the wind. So we're gonna camp in here. I'm gonna tuck back in this one that seemed reasonably flat and sheltered. I'm actually gonna back in a little different from what I originally planned. See if I can come in diagonal. Oops. This is just avocado oil, of your choice. Veggies on the fish oil. Falling off the bone nicely. There we go. We got some catch and cook, campfire. We have the brook trout and we have an assortment of veggies. Nice steaming hot. Whoop, there's a bone straight off the bat. But here we go. First taste of brook trout. Very similar to just rainbow trout. Time to relax. Oh, after that long day. Twister tight, no leaks, and that puppy is so nice and warm. Oh, it's gonna sit right at my feet. Keep me warm. All right. Good night, world. Battling that wind, for sure a lot of fun, but it's nice now. It's calmed down, which is I'm thankful for. Won't be rocking the truck overnight, swaying it. So now we can get nice and comfy, cozy. Okay, guys. I'm off to bed now. So I got my carbon monoxide detector next to me. It's at 0. What I'm actually gonna do tonight, it's going down to -1. I actually closed the windows. This one is open a little bit because of the hose coming in, but I'm gonna turn off my heater tonight and sleep without it and see how warm I can stay. I assume I'm gonna wake up at some point and turn it on, but for now I'd rather just sleep with just the warmth that's in here, my 2 sleeping bags, and my nice hot water bottle down in my feet. We'll see how we do. Oh, good morning. It was a bit rough last night. I was able to sleep without the heat on, which in January I've never done that. Like, I've always had heat on, so that was pretty wild. I was actually warm, like just a little cold on my face, but the insides it kept warm. Lights fell down. I woke up quite a lot with noises last night. I had a stick bang my cab because it was just so windy. The wind kicked up like 2:30 to 5:30, and yeah, it was rough. It was rocking the truck quite a bit. But thankfully the wind is dead now. It's calm, so that's good because I got to get out and start a fire. And it's still pitch black. Oh, bit stiff. Well then. This is always the hardest part, is waking up, getting out of your sleeping bag, and going outside straight away in the cold. It's just like, she wakes you up quite quick. gonna try to put this stick like a chopsticks, and we're just gonna go around, and hopefully we can just pick this up nice and gently. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Woohoo! Chopsticks to the rescue. All right, let's try to do this as peacefully as I can. Whew. She's cooking. Just gonna tip that. Tip and grab, baby. There we go. Tip it back. Butter is in. And you need about 5 ounces. A little splash of water. Seal her up. Start kneading the dough. Okay, there we go. Perfectly wrapped all around. We're gonna wash my hand. Maybe a little too wet, but that's okay. We're gonna cook it up. It's gonna be delicious. Key with bannock is it's not a race. It's not like a marshmallow. You gotta actually cook this dough, and you wanna make sure that the inside gets cooked. So don't just crisp up your edges and call it a day, because you're gonna have a gooey center. The outside has a few little crunchies, which I really don't mind. It's gonna be so dang delicious. Let's see, the key is if it just slides off, which it looks like it might do. We might, oh, it's pretty gooey. Might be pretty gooey on the inside. Oh yeah, that's not good. Probably, it's been a couple years. I think I did it a little too thick. You want to be on the thinner side, but we're gonna continue and open this up now. It's not bad, not bad. I'll be able to scrape off the bit of goop at the end. Just a little bit. There is our perfect warm bannock. Time for the toppings. Fresh raspberries, squeezed. Oh, so good. It's like salivating. Okay, let's have a go at this bannock. Oh, I can't even pretend. I can't. Ooh. Oh. All right. That was excellent camping in a new to me spot in the mountains. Well, at the foothills of the mountains. Truck starts up, gotta love it. Absolutely fantastic trip. Thanks for joining along on it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.